Hi all, welcome. Cynthia here from NB Pretty Papers, unboxing my May kit from the Wild Hare Kits. So I've just got home, just picked it up from the post office box. I've taken it out of the brown bag and that is all I've done. So let's hop straight in and have a look to see what we got. So this month I received a deluxe kit. And I'm thinking in my order to, let me just read what it may say. I hope you love your May kit. I sent some fun ephemera bits and colours with a fall vibe this month because it is fall over here in Tasmania. I also included some brand new products from Dear Lizzie, One Canoe 2 and Hare Swap for you, along with your May cut file Enjoy. And in regards to the Hare Swap, I happened to email or send a Facebook message to Alison whether or not she had the new wolf pack from Hare Swap. This is before I knew she sent me this, and she said she'd sent me one piece in this month. So I've already verbally told her that I want the whole collection because I think it's gorgeous. But let's get in, there's so much. So the ephemera pack is from Cartabella and it is Flower Market. Oh, gorgeous. So I always say in my style profile, so with the Wild Hare kits, each month you can fill out a style profile and just let the team over there know what type of things you like, what products you'd like to receive, any projects that you're working on, pages that you want to work on, and they'll build a kit based on what you say around your preferences and your likes. And so each month I say I love lots of bits and pieces that you can tuck in under layers and build layers and clusters up. So that's what she's saying she has provided this month. So this is the ephemera pack, lots of gorgeous bits and pieces, magical, nature, poppies, beauty, love, just gorgeous. So these will just be great for building up clusters. Look at these, isn't that gorgeous? A little flat truck. The bike, just beautiful. Flower garden. Thank you. Poppies. Oh, it's a little frame. And then down the back there's some bigger pieces, which is so great. Bloom and grow, and then some nice journaling cards. Fantastic. So that is great. Now what are these? These are from One Canoe 2 and they're Saturday afternoon, and they are wood stickers, so they certainly have dimension to them. They're like wood veneers. I dare say that's what they are. Can I get to that? Pretty much. There we go. We'll go that way. Ah, they are awesome. So they definitely, yes, wood veneer pieces. Life is a collection of memories. Choose happy. Enjoy today. Beautiful. Put those there. More ephemera, which, as I said, I love ephemera, so this is just awesome. We didn't need to do that quite so much. So this is Dear Lizzie. Doesn't say what collection. I don't know. Does Dear Lizzie name her collections? Dear Lizzie, I dare say it's all good. Looks like it's possibly from the same collection. Some lemons and a little purse. All we have is now. Stay close to people. Best human. You're my main squeeze. Keep on being you. Oh, isn't that cute? So this is just some great, gorgeous. I love these colours. Look at that. It's beautiful. The grass is greener where you water it. So true, isn't it? Shine like the stars. That's great. Beautiful colours. What else? And there's another pack here. Got some more pieces in it. So this is a 40-piece ephemera pack. Little stamp. These colours, as I said, the yellow and the blues and these oranges. Ah, yes. Florals. You are my home. These are great. Oh, there's that truck. Easy as pie. Yes, yep, you bet. Sweet, yep. I like it. So that is the Dear Lizzie collection. I actually don't think they would be from the same collection. Actually, let's have a look at our piece of paper over here. No, it is. It's all good ephemera. So that's that. Definitely beautiful. Oh my God, there's just so much. Look at that. So that's from the One Canoe 2. Saturday afternoon. Layered stickers. It's a beautiful day. Joy, good vibes, camera, a little banner. Beautiful. They're just beautiful. I love it. And these paper clips, how cool are they? Excellent. Hashtag. A whole 6x8 paper pad. Let me get into that without cutting any papers. There we go. That's enough. Oh, great cut apart sheet with some tags and some banners and journaling cards. Oh, you could fussy cut that, or just that's just beautiful. This is just awesome. Our boats. So we just spent 5 days or 5 nights out on our boat over Easter, so that's certainly going to be used. Once again, you could fussy cut these out and use them on a layout, or use them as a piece. I do have my glasses on this month, so let's see whether I can read it this time around. Yep. Seek and magic, best ever, love, shine, live simply, grow slow, be you, enjoy this main squeeze. Seek magic, ta-da! Rare and beautiful, a blissed out, embrace now. So lots of awesome little words there. Oh, I love this. Again, some more cut aparts. So this is a 36 sheets in here. So this is okay, us, this, yeah, love. All different hand singles. Some tickets, some strawberries. This is some pink and some red strawberries. So a couple of different colours there. Little purses. Love this blue background. It's a lovely colour. Couple of happy balloons. Pink, orange, yellow and a red colour. Just a nice, don't know what you call that pattern, not quite across, but it's a pattern. And then it looks like that's back to the beginning again. Awesome. Now the 12 by 12 papers. So this is Heidi Swap Wolfpack Spot It, and as I said, I've already mentioned to Alison that I'd love to receive some more of this. So it's very neutral paper in collection. Beautiful wood grain. Look at that. Looks like paint and chipped on it. And then it's got these dots down here that carry on from the other side. So that's lovely. This is One Canoe 2, Saturday afternoon, sunshine stripes. Oh, now look at that. Today, life is a collection of moments. Enjoy today. Hello, weekend. Nothing is worth more than this day, I say. I love that. So that's, well, you could either say it's a diamond or a triangle pattern, depends on how you want to look at it. So it is light blue and dark blue, fading into a very pale grey, and then there's little white dots into the middle. So that's a gorgeous paper. Definitely has all these different patterns in it. So that would definitely be used. Oh, here's the cut file. Right, I haven't seen the cut file yet. Aha, grow. Oh, beautiful. My mind automatically goes wanting to watercolour that somehow. So we'll see what we can do with that. That was the first thing I thought about. Beautiful cut apart sheet from One Canoe 2, Saturday afternoon, treats and trips. It's a beautiful day. I love this mountain scene. Little bike. Couple of tags through the middle, ice cream, journaling spot, and enjoy today. And on the back it is pretty much these words here as well. Smile, let's be lazy, it's a beautiful day, slow down, good vibes only, dear Saturday, live a life you love, smile. Life is a collection of moments, so great little cards that you can either cut out and just use them as little word strips on a layout, or you could use part of it as a background. Wow, this has got fabulous texture to it, this page. This is Cartabella Flower Market. Oh, and if you could just feel the texture of this paper, it's very thick. Beautiful watercoloured florals, look at those. And the paper is called Flower Market Florals. I guess that's what they're naming it. And it is beautiful. And that is I'm going to say it's a black stripe on a cream. Off-white to cream. Absolutely gorgeous. That's stunning, that paper. Wow, look at that. One Canoe 2, Saturday afternoon. Afternoon roses. That's lovely. So it goes back to my grow. You could nearly just make a layout with just that paper and this word strip with a nice photo on it, and you're nearly there. Next paper is also from Saturday afternoon, One Canoe 2, and this is Rainbows and Ice Creams, and that is a hexagon pattern. And on the back, I'm going to take it that it is going to have ice cream. Ha! It's a beautiful ice cream, so it's pink fading out to white on this side on this beautiful blue background, and then it has this plaid down the bottom. Gorgeous. And oh, this one looks like it might be from Hare Swap too, is it? It is Hare Swap Wolfpack, and it's the moon. Once again, you could see so many cut aparts and so much you could do with it. It's gorgeous. I love this blue colour. So that is my collection, or my kit for the month of May. It's packed jam with goodness. And I cannot wait to get in. Last month I really had no mojo, but this morning I got on and I did a challenge for a Facebook group where I was scrap lifting somebody, and I absolutely love the layout that I've made. It's sitting here right beside me, and it's actually got my mojo back. So hopefully I'm back into the swing of it again. I just couldn't quite be bothered getting up, but you know, sometimes you've got to force yourself to sit down and do one, and that was just enough to get the enthusiasm going again. And I cannot wait to use some of this product. This is gorgeous. So that's my May kit from the Wild Hare kits. As I said, I'll leave all their links below in the description. You can go on, you can fill out a style profile. You don't have to lock yourself into any contracts. You can just get one this month and one in 3 months' time, or one ever how often you want to get them. They have two different sizes. They have the deluxe kit, or they have a petite kit. My last month was a petite kit, so you obviously get less products, but it's less price point as well. So go back and check out my last month's video unboxing, and you'll no, you won't see my last month's unboxing video because I didn't do one. But anyway, certainly go back, you'll see my previous ones. You can check out the links to the other girls as well on the design team. They'll all be listed below as well. You can see what they received in their kit, because obviously we all got a different kit based on our preferences. We would have all got the same cup file, but other than that, who knows what everyone else got. That's the exciting bit about it. I love unboxing day. I'll get on and have a look to see what everyone else received. And I generally go, oh, I love that. I must ask for that for my next month. And then I forget to ask. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what product you like the most and which one you would want to receive. Until next time, everyone have a lovely day, a lovely week, or a lovely month, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.